Every drone reviewer right now is saying the same thing. The DJI Avata 360 is revolutionary. A game changer. The future of aerial content. And you know what? They might be right, but here's what no one is telling you. This drone has two serious problems. I'm not here to hate on DJI. I'm here because I called the last drone issue before it happened, battery life versus reality. And I'm seeing the exact same pattern again. Now let's be fair, this drone is exciting. A true 360 drone means you don't choose your shot in the air, you capture everything, and decide later. With 8K 360 video, dual fisheye lenses, real-time stitching, advanced obstacle sensing, this is a completely new way to shoot. But here's problem number 1. Size. The Avata 360 is rumored to be around 400 grams, and it does not fold. Compare that to competitors like the anti-gravity A1, which is lighter and far more portable. So if you're a travel creator, a hiker, someone who packs light, this drone isn't just gear. It's a commitment in your bag. Now the bigger issue, battery life. Based on real-world data, this drone will likely deliver around 17 to 19 minutes of actual flight time. Not the 23 to 25 minutes you'll probably see advertised. And here's why. This isn't just flying, it's recording 8K, stitching 360 video in real time, running litter, processing obstacle detection. This is basically a flying computer draining one battery. And here's the reality. 18 minutes vs 30 plus minutes on competitors is a completely different shooting experience. More battery swaps, more interruptions, less time in the air. So who is this for? If you drive to locations, shoot in short sessions, carry multiple batteries, it's a buy. But if you travel light, need long flight sessions, prioritize portability, this might be a pass. So I want a straight answer. Are you buying the Avata 360 or skipping it? Comment below. And on launch day, we're testing the real battery life. No hype, just truth.